Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Hi, I'm very good, thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Have you spent all 8 years in Saudi Arabia?
No, it has been only 1 year since I came to Saudi Arabia. I'm new over here.
Oh, interesting. What do you think of it so far?
Yes, it is very peaceful place to live in, and the environment is very good, clean, and very safe. And
Oh,
secondly, yes, and secondly, as we are Muslims, so for us, this is the holy place because we have Makkah over here, Medina over here.
hmm.
So yes,
Oh, nice. Oh, so have you visited lots of places within Saudi Arabia?
uh, I wanted to, and I decided that when I had a summer vacation at that time, I would
Mm.
do it. But unfortunately, in summer vacation, this coronavirus
Oh,
came.
yes.
We couldn't go
Mm.
outside that much. But now the things are much better than before.
Mm.
There is no lockdown. There is no curfew. People can go outside, and
Mm.
but the thing is that the flights are still not available. So we were
Mm.
supposed to go to our country in this month, but we couldn't go. Let's
Mm.
see.
Oh, I see. Oh, so
Yes,
are you there with your family?
my family is in Pakistan, and I'm here.
Oh, just by yourself?
Yes,
Oh, wow. That's a brave decision. I think you learn a lot from living abroad as well.
yes, exactly.
Hmm.
Because I'm teaching in an international school. We have teachers and staff and students from all over the world, especially from
Mm.
neighboring countries of Saudi Arabia like Syria, Egypt, Jordan, Lebanon, Pakistan, India, Philippines. So I
Ah,
learn a lot from them.
have they visited Saudi Arabia?
No, no, not yet.
Ah, and when
Actually,
you,
because of this COVID-19, all my plans just got messed up. So
yes, yeah, that seems to be everybody right now. The world seems to have
yes.
gone to a standstill.
And
Uh,
still, after 2 or 3 months, everything is uncertain. We don't know when will it
mm,
end, when will we be able to get rid of it.
mm,
So even we cannot say anything about future.
yes. Was the lockdown quite strict in Saudi Arabia?
Yes, it was. And a good thing was that people over here abide by the laws.
That's good.
And yes, so things were good. People were not going outside, and they had to wear mask
Mm,
whenever they are outside. But now still they need to wear masks, but
mm.
there is no lockdown.
Oh, that's good. Ah. So I guess you can do more, enjoy more things now.
Yes, it has been 3 days since this
Mm.
lockdown was lifted,
Mm.
but I didn't go outside. We were
Yes.
planning to, but let's see, because our summer vacation
Mm.
is also nearing to end. From the
Oh, I
next month,
see.
need to join
Oh,
a school.
so when does the school semester start?
Yes, the
Ah,
semester
I
will
see.
start from September, but we need to go before because
Mm.
usually we have
Ah, I
the
see.
workshops and training sessions.
Mm.